Seng United Democratic Party UDP hen kasi kalapha ya pratli ki Jingai Jingmut cha ka committee Halor ka reservation policy bat ka roster system. Kani ka Seng le kendo bat ka chairperson jong ka committee Halor ka reservation policy bat ka roster system ikong amprin lang do pan pensngoi ki jing khmi nya balawan ra ta ka Seng Halor kini ki artli ki man. U General Secretary ka Seng ba jaminu mautho semlapan pau ya kini ki Jingai Jingmut henrai ulapan sngo ba ka Seng kalak daw bat wan ra ka tu kat ni teli ki Jingai Jingmut baya dai bat ka jing pelaya kini ka polisi.
There are 8 observations because many things are connected also. It is not only you talk about the proportion about how much percentage and all that, but there are other things which are related to the reservation policy and the roster system. So we have given our points for consideration and we leave it to the wisdom of the expert committee, and as mentioned earlier that the points that we have raised on our part, this will be taken up at the level of the expert committee, and then maybe we will have a one-to-one talk with them also, and we will deliberate further on this and whether our observations is justified or not.